Asking a question about Ananga Manjari. There's one book written in Bengali. It was translated into English by Sri Advaita Dasji. And the title of the book is Ananga Manjari Nirupan. Ananga Manjari Nirupan. It's in English. It's a kind of A4 size type of printing with ring binding, Xerox. And it was first put on the market. It was available in English since 25 years ago or so. But then the translator, Advaita Das, he stopped distributing it because although there's some good points in the book, there's also some points that aren't so, not exactly philosophically correct in terms of the Goswami's teachings. But most of the book is quite good. So there it talks about the relationship and the identity. So there we have, that's what we would call a shastra, about Ananga Manjari's sarup, what she looks like, what her identity is. And the book is written by Ramchandra Gosai. And Ramchandra Gosai is considered to be the adopted, because she had none, but considered to be the adopted son of Janavamata. Janavamata, of course, is the wife of Nityananda, and he had two wives, Janavamata and Vasudha. And Vasudha, she had two children, Bir Chandra Goswami and Gangadasi. And Janavamata, after the Prakat Leela of her husband Nitai was wound up, and he returned to another, he went to another planet, another Boma Navadvip, where the Nitya Leela is going on, and a traveling roadshow, universe after universe, as Prabhupada said. So there he is. So staying behind for some short time was Janavamata, and this Ramchandra Gosai, as a very young boy, he's a Brahmin, he was from some Brahmin family, he was adopted and taken into the family of Nitai and Janava. So Janava had no issue herself with Nitai, but she adopted him. So Ramchandra Gosai is considered to be the adopted son of Janava. So he knows what he's talking about. He's a Brahmin. And obviously he's a Nitya Parishad of the whole entourage. So he writes there. And the more information, smaller information we have about Ananga Manjari comes from Kavi Karnapur Goswami. He wrote a book called Gaur Govinda Archana, Gaur Govinda Ganadesh, Gaur Govinda Ganadesh Deepika. And this small book, in Bengali and now English. And there he's telling the identities of the personalities and Nitya Parishads and Gaur Leela and their alter ego, let's say, or their other identity and their other form, completely different other form in Krishna Leela. So you're using words like manifestation or expansion or part and parcel, or these are all words kind of mean the same thing. But the most important point to keep in mind here, which is often blurred by lack of philosophical discretion or understanding, is that each associate of Krishna and Ramchandra and Vishnu, etc., they're all eternal individual personalities. Krishna is Chit Shakti, transcendental spiritual energy, Satchidanand, and so are his parts and parcels. We are his parts and parcel also. The Jivatmas, we are not Antaranga Shakti, we're not Sarup Shakti, but we're what we call the Jiva Shakti, Tatastha Shakti.